Ma 30 ħaddiem Malti diġà kienu impjegati mal-kumpanija Crane Currency u ntbagħtu għal taħriġ barra minn Malta. Żvela dan Anne-Marie Watson, il-President Internazzjonali tal-kumpanija Crane Currency, waqt il-programm Pjazza li qalet li l-kumpanija baqgħet impressjonata bil-ħiliet tal-ħaddiema Maltin.
Malta, it was actually a very ideal place for us. It's close to a lot of our customers, being close to Europe, being also close to Africa. The skill set of the people here is tremendous and really complements what we're trying to build.
L-investiment ta' $100 miljun Amerikan f'pajjiżna se jkollu bżonn mal-500 ħaddiem. Watson qalet li l-kumpanija hija sodisfatta bl-għajnuna li qed issib mill-gvern u entitajiet oħra. Fil-fatt din il-ġimgħa wara biss 3 xhur il-kumpanija bdiet bix-xogħlijiet fuq is-sit f'Ħalfar.
And as well a very pro-business government that has been easy to work with and very easy to set up all of our plans and act quickly to build this site.
L-Ambaxxatriċi Amerikana f'Malta Kathleen Hill uriet is-sodisfazzjon tagħha lil kumpanija għażlet lil Malta biex tagħmel dan l-investiment. Fi kliema l-kumpanija għarfet is-suċċessi ekonomiċi illi kellha Malta f'dawn l-aħħar snin.
Malta has a good investment story to tell, and the string of successes in the last few years show that Malta is serious about attracting high-quality jobs to the islands. Based on today's events, it is obvious that the leaders at Crane Currency heard that story loud and clear.